because we're getting now some breaking news coming in. As Rahul Gandhi attends meeting with Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah to select the next Chief Election Commissioner, Rahul Gandhi has sent a dissent note. Congress in a press conference has said the government should have deferred the meeting till Supreme Court hearing. Let's listen in.
Made it clear they want only control but not credibility. And the most important thing for the EC is credibility. ये बड़ा स्पष्ट है कि जब इतने सारे मुद्दे शंका के घेरे में है, जहां तक चुनाव आयोग का सवाल उठता है, जो आपने पिछले 2 वर्ष में ज्यादा देखे हैं, लिखित रिप्रेजेंटेशंस देखे हैं, तो मोदी जी ने जो नए कानून से ढकेला है, उसको एक गणतंत्र और लोकतंत्र को अंधेरे में डाला है। और जो हमारी मांग है वो इतनी सरल है, इतनी छोटी है कि थोड़ी भी अगर ईगो कम होती और मनमानी करने की मंशा कम होती तो ये नहीं होता। ये हमारा स्टैंड बड़ा स्पष्ट है, हमने आपके सामने इसलिए रखा है। धन्यवाद।
So did Rahul Gandhi participate, or did he give a, did he say that we want this postponed?
The leader of the opposition, Shri Rahul Gandhi, certainly participated at 5:30 p.m. What he said, what happened, what was discussed, etc., is not for me or you to speculate upon. He participated 100%, and what happened, etc., no, we don't know. We can't say anything. What happened, etc., you'll know within 24 or 48 hours. There's no point speculating about it.
But did you support the idea of Mr. Gyanendra becoming the CEC?
देखिए, इसके बारे में हम लोग इससे ज्यादा नहीं बोल सकते। कांग्रेस पार्टी का जो औपचारिक आधिकारिक जो व्यू है वो हमने आपको बताया, और इससे ज्यादा मीटिंग में क्या हुआ, क्योंकि गोपनीयता की हम सब लोग आदर करते हैं, और इसलिए अब इससे ज्यादा हम इसके बारे में नहीं बता सकते।
देखिए सर, जब राहुल गांधी बैठक में गए होंगे और आप लोगों ने ये तय किया कि इस पे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करनी की, पार्टी का मत तो आपने सार्वजनिक कर दिया, तो पार्टी के नेता हैं, नेता विपक्ष भले हैं, यही मत क्या उन्होंने भी कमोवेश रखा होगा उनके सामने? जो
हमने कहा पार्टी का मत है वो हमारे पार्टी के नेता हैं।
Mr. Ajay Makan, the fact, and Mr. Singhvi, you can point this out. There is certain grey areas in the law. You pointed out very correctly, what was the envisaged by the Constitutional Court. But as the Chief Justice of India himself said in his court, that this will be subject to our final outcome, whatever is decided. You could have written much earlier requesting the Prime Minister not to hold this meeting.
No, you're wrong, Prabhu. Let me tell you very simply. First of all, nobody is suggesting you do X or Y. Nobody is suggesting that the Supreme Court will hold X or Y. Nobody is attempting to be presumptuous about court decisions. It's a very simple point. The court is actively seized, not merely sub judice manner, actively seized within days and weeks of when we are talking of an issue of constitutional importance. Mr. CEC retires only now. The meeting is notified only now. The decision of the government becomes ripe this way or that way only now. You are asking us why we didn't try it earlier. You should ask the government why they can't adjourn it by 2 weeks, 10 days, 1 week. That's the real question.
राहुल गांधी ने तो लोकसभा में खुल करके कहा कि इस समिति पर सवाल खड़े किए उन्होंने, और उन्होंने कहा कि मतलब बैलेंस नहीं है इसमें, 2 लोग एक तरफ हैं, एक अकेला एलओपी है, तो इस कमेटी का कोई मतलब ही नहीं।
बिल्कुल, यही बात तो अभी अभिषेक जी ने बड़े विस्तार से बताया है, और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट इसका संज्ञान ले रहा है, एक्टिव संज्ञान ले रहा है, 19 तारीख को 48 घंटे के अंदर अंदर उसने इसके ऊपर संज्ञान लेकर के कुछ फैसला सुनाना है, तो क्या ये सरकार 48 घंटे भी वेट नहीं कर सकती थी? धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू
सर। Anand Singh is joining us for more details on this story. Anand, the Congress saying a dissent note was submitted by Rahul Gandhi. They are upset that this meeting was held before the Supreme Court hearing.
Yeah, Uday, look, the Congress did not mention specifically that where Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, in fact submitted a dissent note in the meeting that took place in the PMO today to select the new CEC. However, the Congress said that its stand is very clear on the issue, that once a the government should have postponed this meeting today, as the Supreme Court was all set to take on the hearing on the new CEC Act case on 19th of February. So the government should have waited for 2 more days instead of taking the meeting today to decide on the new CEC in the wake of Rajiv Kumar retiring tomorrow as the CEC of the Election Commission. And the Congress party clearly mentioned that this is how the government was trying to control the new CEC and the Election Commission by all these means. So clearly the Congress took a jibe at the government today, the way in which the government decided to go on with the meeting to elect the new Chief Election Commissioner, despite the fact that the Supreme Court was all set to hold a hearing on the CEC Act that the government brought 2 years ago in Parliament. Back to you then.
All right. My thanks to you, Anand, for joining us with those breaking updates. On that note, slipping into a short break.